Clearborough, North Dallas, 2018 Rolls-Royce Wraith. It was a gloss white with a gloss blue top. We changed that to a matte finish with the Xpel Stealth film. Obviously a full wrap, and detail is of the utmost. However, this is the same way we wrap every one of our cars. And when you're wrapping with Stealth, you want to make sure you're getting all your lines wrapped in, so there's no gloss showing through anywhere. Everything's completely perfect. The finish goes on perfect. Everything turned out really nice on this. We're covering 100% here. Everything looks good, 100% all the way around. Even when we get to the emblem here, all that's pushed in and wrapped around. The molding, no gloss showing. Everything's looking fantastic. Getting all these edges perfectly wrapped in. Everything looks fantastic. All the edges here, making sure this tow hook is 100%. Everything wrapped with no gloss paint showing. So there's that. Let me continue back here, wrapping again 100%. All this on the inside, all the way around. Getting all this here. Everything looks fantastic. Doors fully wrapped in, handles fully wrapped around. All this up until all the moldings right here. Everything with the fuel cap going in nicely. All this perfectly done. Coming around all these wheel wells, perfectly done. Everything looks fantastic. So no issues. The bezels right here, fully wrapped in 100%. Trunk lid all done in one piece. No seaming, all wrapped in here. Our trunk, or our bumper, all done in one, all the way around. Wrapped in. Much more on the same side. We tinted it with Xpel's XR Plus for the highest heat rejection. And there it is, 2018 Wraith. Full wrap Xpel Ultimate or Stealth film, 10-year guarantee in writing. And thanks for watching. ClearboroughNorthDallas.com.